So, a very good morning, class. Today, we'll start with this topic of your English writing, that is diary entry slash writing. So, you can call it by any name. You can call it as diary entry or as diary writing. Okay. So, before starting diary entry, you all should know that what exactly a diary entry is or what is a diary writing. Fine. So, as you all know that diary is a kind of personal journal, right? In which you can record your day-to-day activities or your day-to-day experiences or any incident that you have faced. Okay, and even how you got affected personally as well as emotionally. Fine. So the way you got affected personally and emotionally, the experience that you have experienced in your day, each and everything you have to write down in your diary. Okay, so you can basically express your personal opinions and reactions to whatever is going around you or whatever is going around the world. So that is basically a diary writing. Fine. Okay, so the next point is, how is diary entry different from blog writing? Fine. So how you can differentiate a diary entry from a blog writing? So basically, as you all know that blog writing is usually meant for the public consumption. Okay, and diary writing is something that is done on a personal basis. So a diary writing, or we can say a journal, may never be published in the form of a book, but a blog is always published and shared on the internet, and people are usually invited. Means in case of blog, we are talking about blog. So in case of blog, people are usually invited to comment on the blog entries that someone writes, and people, you know what people do, they do give their comments and feedbacks, which is sometimes rare. Like this thing is rare in case of diary or journals, because in case of diary writing, you just have to write your own experience, your own feelings, that too on a personal and emotional level. Okay. Okay, so the next point is, what kind of language can I use in diary writing? So what sort of language you should use when you're writing a diary? So one thing you all should remember is that your diary is a very personal thing. It is all about what you feel or what you feel about. So the language you should employ or you should write should be very much personal and informal, right? It should be informal. So, however, avoid cuss words and expressions, right? So, write in first person. One thing you all should remember is that you all should write in first person. Means taking yourself into consideration. So, you should write in first person unless you don't want to reveal that you are writing about yourself. Clear? Okay. So, next is, how long should a diary entry be? Right? So basically, in real life, fine, a diary entry can be of a single line to a several paragraphs, even a few pages. Okay, like you can write a diary entry on a single page, or it can be for several pages. Fine. But in examination situation, a question on diary entry does have a definite word limit. So if you're writing a diary entry for an exam, so you have to remember the word limit. You have to keep the word limit in your mind. But in real life, however, you can choose the length that completes whatever you feel like writing about yourself. Fine. So this is clear to you all. Next, we'll do that what is the basic layout or what is the basic format of a diary writing or a diary entry. So for that, what you have to do, make a box. Fine. Here what you have to write, here you have to write the day, date and time of the diary entry. Fine. Next, here you have to give a suitable descriptive title. Fine. Or you can add on a head. Fine. Or you can add on a heading. Next, here you have to give a salutation. What is basically a salutation? You can write down dear diary or hi. You can even write down the name of your diary if you have given any. Fine. So here in between will be the body, that whatever you want to write. At last, at this line, you will write, means basically you leave, means a leave taking phrase. Like you will write down bye, see you, good night. These are the things that you can include. And at last, here you'll write down your name, and that's it. Fine. So what are the things you're going to include, or what is the basic format you have to keep in mind while you're writing a diary? First, day, date and time, suitable title or heading. Salutation means you have to write dear diary. And then you have to write down the body, means whatever you want to write in your diary. Then at last, here you have to take, here you have to write down bye. Means you have to just end down your diary. That is, you have to write down bye or good night or see you. And at last, you have to write down your name. Fine. Next, a very simple point, that is how often should I write diary, or should you write down your personal diary? So whenever you feel like writing, it's a good idea to be regular in writing a diary, but you can choose how frequently you would want to write down your diary. So you can write it at, while you're sleeping, okay, at night, or whenever you feel like writing. So there is no need to wait for any special occasion or when you're inspired for anything. Just make it a good habit of writing your diary. Fine. Because this was a very good habit. You can write down your diary where you can share your personal experience, your personal feeling which has affected you in a negative or a positive way, like you're personally, emotionally, mentally. Okay, so you can write down your diary whenever you feel like writing. Okay, next is, what are the preparations that you need to do? Basically, the preparations that you need to do for writing down a diary. So before you write down, you think about what you want to write about. So you can make a list of the questions and then write down short answers to that questions or those questions. The answers, when written in an organized way, will usually form your diary entry. Fine. So for example, how was the day? How am I feeling? What did I learn today? How did I meet, means who did I meet? What happened at school? What is going on in the neighborhood, in the country, on the world? So these are the questions that can come in your mind, and the answers, when written in an organized way, will usually form your diary entry. Fine. So for example, how was the day? How am I feeling? What did I learn today? How did I meet, means who did I meet? What happened at school? What is going on in the neighborhood, on the country, on the world? So these are the questions that can come in your mind and you can write down in your diary. Okay. So I hope you have understood that how you have to write down the diary writing. Do remember the proper format of the diary writing, because this is at most important. You'll get, you'll get proper marks when you'll follow the actual format of diary writing. So I hope you all have understood, and now I'm giving you a question that is there in your BBC compactor. Kindly write it down and send it back to me. Okay.